Alright, well good afternoon everybody and welcome back to another video. So on this beautiful day here in Pennsylvania, decided to come out to a place I was at once before. Now unfortunately the last time I was here it was cold, it was raining, and it started snowing, and I couldn't get a whole lot done that day. Plus I was on my way to Cleveland. So I brought my dad and one of his friends out today to the Flight 93 Memorial here in Somerset County. This is our first stop right here. This is what's called the Tower of Voices. I'll put some info up on the screen here, but it's just beautiful, almost like obelisk type structure. And there's giant wind chimes all up and down in the middle of it. So when wind blows through here, it actually plays some sound.
Oh no, she said it's farther. Yeah, she said it's farther.
But this is just a really beautiful property out here, and how they preserve this area. I mean, it's obviously really incongruous to what happened here, but they really did a nice job. Now this is my second time coming out here. I came out here last fall, it was in October, but it was absolutely freezing here, so I couldn't really, I did film a little bit, but it was also raining, and I had to get to, I was on my way to Cleveland, and it was just didn't end up working out, so glad to be back here today. I'm here with my dad and his friend Nelson. They've never been out here before, and we made a day trip of it, so this is really cool to be out here with them.
That building is closed.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They tried the doors.
Yeah. All right, so here is a layout of the entire property here. So where we came from, where this area was the Tower of Voices here, and then we're pretty much right here. And then there's a really nice area right here that we are going to get to see and actually see where the crash site was and the path of the plane itself. Yeah, here's the crash site here that we'll get to see. That's what this walkway takes you to.
But that must be between these walls, huh?
No, it's further down the field.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, this right here, I think, was the pathway that it came, and it came down right over that hill over there.
What is this? Just a wall?
Yeah, just part of the memorial.
You ready to walk?
Yeah. And it is just a beautiful monument that they have here, and you'll see, like I said, the crash site and everything once we get further out there. Now we're coming up on the, I'm sorry, that wasn't really the visitor center. There were some restrooms there. This right here is the visitor center, and then there's this overlook where you can actually see where the plane itself crashed. I believe the exact time was 10:03 in the morning on September 11th when this flight went down. The towers obviously had already been hit, and I believe the Pentagon had been hit. And this United Flight 93 was headed towards the White House, but the passengers on board fought back and ultimately brought the plane down here in Somerset County. Quite a structure here, what they put together. And they have some walkways all throughout this park. This one right down here will take you down to, I think it's the Wall of Names. I'm not sure exactly if that's what it's called, but
Oh yeah, that's a nice. That's a real.
He has a little farm.
community.
He has a little farmlet out there in Berkey, man. That's where.
Nice area.
Want to drive down? Okay, let's go. Well, it was nice meeting y'all. Safe travels.
and if I'm not mistaken, Dad, I think where that boulder is right out there is the final crash site, because I think the plane actually came in inverted and crashed.
Where is the boulder?
See, right towards the right, see where the wall of names is? Just past that.
Oh, okay. And that's where the plane
I think so, yeah. See if I can zoom in this for you guys here. Way out in the distance there, it's the crash site. And they do have, you know, some amenities out here. They have benches and whatnot throughout, and these little rocks that you can sit on and stuff. And they have placards, information boards throughout the whole entire park here. So unfortunately, due to a new rule, they do not allow any photography or filming inside the visitor center. But that's okay. So it's gonna cut this video a little short. I mean, there's tons of information online about what happened here and stuff. So I'm gonna go get the car, pick up the guys here, and then we're gonna go down to the parking area, the visitors shelter, where the wall of names is, and that's where we're gonna wrap things up for the day. Kind of a short video, but still, boy, a beautiful day nonetheless. I mean, it's about, I think only about 72 degrees. There's a nice breeze going through, and you know, almost no cloud in the sky. Perfect day. All right, so we made it down to this lower part of the memorial here, and we can actually see the crash site from where we're at, and then we're gonna walk down to the what do you call it, the wall of names there. Okay, so we're gonna walk, we just parked right here, and we're gonna walk down this memorial plaza here, and we'll see the actual crash site. Now off in the distance there, you see that boulder. That's the location of the actual crash site. And if you take a look, the way they have this set up, whole memorial, the wall of names there, plus the memorial up top there, the walkway, it's all the flight path of when this plane came down and finally crashed there. But just really stunning what they did with this property. Getting right through there. Again, another shot of the crash site there. And this flooring they used matches up perfectly with the memorial up there, and is the flight path. And we're out here at the wall of names. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video here of the Flight 93 Memorial. It is kind of a somber time when you're here. Like I said, it's incongruous to what happened. The property is just gorgeous. I mean, everything they did is super, is really pretty, and such a nice tribute to the people that unfortunately were killed in that crash. But anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and like always, we'll see you soon.